Generative artificial intelligence programs allow users to quickly create text, images, videos, and objects on any subject matter. But artificial intelligence programs are not neutral, and their content is informed by the databases that they're trained on. And databases, like all archives, are not neutral repositories of facts, but they're collections made by humans who have their own biases. These databases reflect the world that we live in, and they are rife with sexism, racism, homophobia, and ableist material. Like the ancient Ouroboros symbol of a circular snake eating its tail, artificial intelligence is in a continual loop of devouring and rebirthing itself. 81% of the 3D modelers in the US are men, while only 19% of them are women. 67% of them are white, 14% are Latino or Hispanic, 8% are Asian, and 4% are Black or African American. Among Sketchfab visitors, 67% are male and 33% female. 3D assets are integral to constructing digital environments such as games, animation, architectural models, and educational applications. Over time, in our work as new media artists and educators, we've found that culturally diverse and nuanced objects are not available for our projects. We found seemingly endless amounts of guns and cars, but not objects that we felt a personal connection to, which would be objects from our communities. For example, those representing LGBTQ or Black, Indigenous, and people of color. Archives and databases create narratives, and they determine who is included, who is erased, and what communities are important. By 2026, it's estimated that 90% of content online will be created by artificial intelligence. How do we combat the biases that come with that? Missing Objects Library, or MOLE, is a curated web-based repository of handmade 3D objects that are designed with an intersectional feminist lens. MOLE is displayed as both a physical video installation and a web-based 3D model library that is free for public use. MOLE offers an alternative to commercial status quo storefronts, and it is an open platform with downloadable models that accurately represent the world that we inhabit. MOLE disrupts historical gatekeeping performed by mainstream marketplaces by offering 3D models that span a wide range of identities, abilities, and affinities. In addition to critiquing existing 3D model storefronts, MOLE builds community by offering an economic system of reciprocity, where technological representations of things are exchanged to produce meaningful relations and effects. American sociologist Arjun Appadurai asserts that human actors encode objects with significance and that things retain the magic of their makers, handlers, and users. The encoded objects of the MOLE are context-specific, charged, and imbued with meaning because they're created by invited artists, designers, architects, anthropologists, historians, and students who are asked to imagine a collection of objects drawn from their knowledge base, culture, kin, and life experiences. Through public workshops taught by the Missing Objects Library team, community members can scan and upload their meaningful belongings into our free 3D model database. Scanned objects may include cultural artifacts, anthropocenic ecosystems, vanishing flora and fauna, mental and physical health supports, religious and ritual objects, sensual lifestyle products, and accurate bodies that reflect a range of ethnicities and abilities. Public participation is critical for democratically shaping the collection. In addition to addressing biases, MOLE also directly affects content created by AI because we add our models to the databases that are used to train artificial intelligence programs.